Vocabulit Lesson 6 Test 1. Sentence completion. Choose the word that best completes each sentence. Fill in the circle next to that word. After a 15-minute blank, the play resumed. Involve, interval, succession, whereabouts. The friends plotted a blank idea about how they would win the lottery and quit school. Spiritual, invariably, fantastic, successive. Number 3. When the blank planned his escape, he forgot to consider the harsh climate of the area. Fugitive, spiritual, interval, quarter. Number 4. If anyone knows the blank of Josh, last name unknown, contact Miss Edith Polk on 6th Street. Quarter, interval, invariably, whereabouts. Number 5. I don't think we should get blank in the personal problems of our neighbors. Murmured, involved, quarter, interval. Michael loves to go to the city for concerts, but if he doesn't catch the noon train, he blank misses the opening band. Quarterly, spiritually, fantastically, invariably. Number 7. The creek flowed over a blank of rock ledges and formed pools at the edge where tadpoles swam. Succession, whereabouts, quarter, fantastic. Number 8. The choir on Sunday sang a blank. Interval, spiritual, murmur, quarter. Section number 2. Synonyms. Choose the answer that is most similar to the word in capitalized. When Jonas was selected as the receiver, the crowd accepted him by murmuring his name. The murmur gradually turned into a chant. Shriek, quiet, whisper, rant. Number 10. Don't worry, the dog may have wandered off, but he invariably comes home. Sometimes, never, always, often. Number 11. The teacher told the students to involve the new student in their group. Exclude, appoint, include, intimidate. Number 12. Beauty knew she was never allowed to go into the beast's quarters. Whereabouts, section, song, intermission.